nagsalita na ako kanina for like 2 minutes. And as I was saying, hindi ko na alam paano mag-construct ng words. Sorry, sentence. And I'm having a hard time with it. I don't know why. I'm probably having some sort of, I don't know. But the main purpose of this video, kahit na hindi pa ako naligo, and ito pa yung suot ko kagabi, gusto kong i-share sa YouTube ko. Because I'm really scared na papansin ko din na parang kaka-brain fog ako, makakalimutin, hindi ko na maalala yung mga bagay-bagay, yung certain words, there's something happening. Something is happening to me. There's something wrong, but I don't know what it is. Or probably anxious lang ako and frustrated, kaya yung utak ko sobrang lutang. Empty niya na, hindi ko na alam yung mga salitang dapat kong gamitin sa isang sitwasyon. Kaya, I'll try my best to finish this video. The main purpose of this video is to share with you guys something great that happened to me last year. And it's been happening now for 4 months. I really want to share it because I became just a zombie. Para na lang ako naging zombie that I don't know. I'm just like an empty shell. Ever since I went through something, I feel like that's one of the greatest hardship in my life. Because for some reason, I never expected it. I never expected that to happen. I'm having a healthy lifestyle, but that happened. I cannot share it yet. And then, yeah. But despite having a challenge last year, I also experienced something amazing, and I don't know what to say. May na-experience ako na natatak sa buhay ko habang buhay. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Bakit hindi ko na alam hindi ko na alam magsalita. My point is, I met someone amazing 2 years ago, and we became friends for so long. We had a hiccup on the last months of 2023, and we reconnected on the second month of 2024. That went on for a lot of months of talking, chatting, playing, joking around, laughing. I think I said that na. We became close again, and maraming pinag-usapan. We even met for the first time after 1 year, almost 1 year. And we met again on December. I'm sorry if sobrang messy ng pagsasalita ko ngayon kasi for some reason nahihirapan akong magsalita. Nahihirapan akong mag-construct ng words. Parang iniisip ko pa yung mga dapat kong sabihin. And it's so hard. I really want to share this because this is a beautiful, beautiful chapter in my life. Siya yung taong laman ng videos ko before. Siya rin yung taong iniiyakan ko noon. Sobrang dalas kong mag-post ng crying videos. Siya yung dahilan. Marami siyang pina-experience sa akin na sobrang saya ko. He is such an amazing person. Kapag iniisip ko, parang, how can I meet someone like him? Sobrang swerte ko na kilala ko si Israel. And I'm happy that we're together now. Sorry, this is tears of joy. Because he's really trying his best na mahalin ako sa language na gusto ko. And I feel like sobrang considerate niya. Yung relasyon ko with him is something that I consider as first. And sobrang considerate niya na iniintindi niya ako. Sobrang galing ng boyfriend ko. Kasi every time that we fight, which is petty, ang petty-petty nung fights namin. And it was all because of me. Sobrang bait niya. Alam kong wala siyang indication, tama. Wala siyang signs na he will cheat. Like, I know that won't happen. But for some reason, inaaway ko siya into something na alam ko namang hindi niya gagawin. And then, we will talk it out, and I will realize tama siya. We both lack in certain ways, but ramdam na ramdam kong mahal na mahal niya ako. I miss him. I miss you. If mapanood mo man tong video na to, love you. I'm really grateful that you're part of my life, and alam ko mahaba-haba pa yung chapters natin. I'm just scared. Isabotage ko to. Because for some reason, nahihirapan talaga akong tahimikin yung nasa utak ko. gusto ko maging better for him, for you. I hope you understand that I want to change this. Kung ano may nangyayari sa akin, nahirapan akong mag-construct ng words. Inaaway kita lagi. I'm really sorry about that. And I love you. Thank you po sa efforts mo. And thank you dahil araw-araw mo pa rin ako kinakausap. Napangiti. Nasabihan na mahal mo ko. I can't wait to see you again. I love you. And alam ko nag-chat ka. Sabi ko, bawal mag-sting. Nag-good idea ka pa talaga. Bawal, sabihin ko bawal. Hindi ko alam kakainin ko. Siya ata magpapares. Bye! Yun lang muna. Ang ano ng utak ko ngayon.